Microsoft Excel doesn't come with a built-in watermark button, but you can use an image like a logo to create a watermark. Select Insert, Header and Footer. The header appears above row 1 of the worksheet. Tap a section of the header and select Picture. Find and insert your image. In the header, you'll see &picture. This means there's a picture in the header. Tap anywhere outside the header to close the header, and you'll see a watermark behind the data. You can edit your image too. Tap back into Header and select Design, Format Picture. You can change many things, including the size and the picture color, making it grayscale or washout.